Welcome back to my second tutorial class, dear students. I hope you all are doing fine and safe. Well, today we will learn about the four functions, how to apply the remaining four functions. Last time we have learned the functions of total, how to find the total. We have also learned how to apply the data of all these 10 students, and we applied the marks in different subjects. And then this total, we learned how to find the total using the formula. Just to refresh back how we have applied this total, just click the total. Okay, just I'll zoom it. Okay, this is the cell reference. This is the cell reference of J4. Okay, so equal to D4 plus E4 plus F4 plus G4 plus H4 plus I4. No, we applied like this, and then we got the total. The cell reference of J. This is what we see here, J4. Okay, J4 total. Got it? Then we got the total. Okay, today we will learn the four functions: percentage, maximum, minimum, and result. Okay, to work on these remaining functions, I wanted to just go with the brief of functions here. Functions in MS Excel, page number 24. I request you to refer the textbook as well, page number 24. Okay, sum function is clear to us. Just sum function, it is used to add all the numbers or the numbers that you specify in a row or column. How we have got it, that we understood this one, sum function. I believe you have learned. Okay, next one is 2, average function. Now, what is this average function? It is used to find the average of numbers in a given range. Average function ignores empty cells and cells with text values. Okay, this part is to understand. Yeah, average function ignores empty cells and cells with text values. It means that in the values, the average functions will ignore where there is empty cells, nothing is entered in a cells, or where there is text, right? Where there is text in the value, these cells will be ignored by average functions. Okay, I'll explain you in the practical this one. Okay, now next one, MAX. This MAX is maximum function. Okay, maximum function. What is it? This function is used to find the maximum value in the specified range. That is to find the maximum marks from the specified range. Likewise here also MIN. This is minimum. In short, we write the function MIN. Okay, minimum function. This is what? This function is used to find the minimum value in the specified range. This is also okay. Then next one is, what is it? Fifth, if function. What is it? If function. This function returns one value if a condition you specify evaluates to true, and another value if it evaluates to false. That is, it checks. This if function is used to check, okay, whether it is true or false, whether it is yes or no. Okay, so we will go I'll explain you in here in details about how to use the functions here. Okay, now the first one, percentage. How we are going to work on the percentage, that is average percentage. Okay, how I explained to you last time, in every function in Excel we used to apply equal to sign. First, the function begins with equal to sign. Always remember that. Equal to sign, equal to, then to find the percentage total divided by number of subject. Okay, total divided by number of subject, we will get the percentage. That is, our total is here, so just click the total and divided by number of subject. That is, number of subject is 6. We have 6 subjects like maths, science, SS, English, second language, and 6 subject. That is 6 subjects. Total is 6 subjects. So equal to total divided by number of subject, then press the enter key. Now as you press enter key, see the percentage. We got the percentage. 56.8 is the percentage of the student are in here. Now to get the remaining percentage, we don't need to apply the formulas. Just simply point the mouse pointer like this. As you point the mouse pointer, the plus sign appears at the corner of this cell pointer. Plus sign, just click and don't release it. Keep on click and drag it down slowly. Drag it down slowly and release it now. And you got all the percentage of all the students. Okay, so this is how we can get the percentage. Now coming back to our next functions, that is maximum, max, maximum. So how we will use the function? So in every function equal to, we need to begin with the equal to sign. Equal to, then maximum. How we will write? Max. We will write max. See, as you type out here max, it is also appearing here. Is see max. Okay, max. That is maximum. Now open bracket and see the condition. Value number 1. This is what we are asking. From where to find the maximum? From where? From where we are going to find the maximum? That is, we are going to find from D. Right, D4. So simply you can type out here D4 colon sign. Okay, colon sign, and our last number, that is last number is 40. This 40 is in the column and row of I4. That is I4, and bracket close and press enter key, and 70 marks. 70 is the maximum marks of the student. 70. Got it? Now for the rest, 1 to okay, just this 70 marks. Okay, here, okay, I'll just change this maths marks here. Okay, I'm just writing here, I'm giving here 100, say example 100. Okay, just look at the total and total percentage, all these 3 points. Okay, now just concentrate on these 3 points. I mean this 3, yeah. See, as I type here 100 marks, the total also changed, percentage also changed, maximum marks also changed. Right? 100 is the maximum marks. Yes or no? Here 100 is the maximum marks. Yeah, 100 is the maximum marks of this student. Yes or no? 100. See, that is why maximum marks is 100. Now you just look at these marks. Okay, look at these numbers now. Just look at these numbers. Now I'll just change here one number here again. Say example 98. I'm just typing here 98. Now you just concentrate these two, all this. Okay, all this total, percentage, and maximum, all these are changed. See, automatically all these are changed because all are, we have applied formula, and whatever changes we do here in the data, in the cell, in the data here, automatically it will take effect in our total, percentage, as well as in the maximum marks. Okay, so this also just point it and drag it down, and all the maximum marks we got it. Okay, all these maximum marks are here. Now to get the minimum mark here, the same thing that we need to apply, equal to min. That is min. As you type out minimum, you can just see here also minimum. right? Open bracket, and from where we are going to find minimum, that is from same thing, that is D4 is our column and row, D4 column sign, and our last number is the last subject is our 40 marks in here, that is I4. So just I4 bracket close and press enter key, and your minimum mark is 40 is the minimum marks here. Now I'll just change the minimum marks here. Okay, this 98 marks I am giving here just 15 marks. Okay, I'm just giving here 15 marks, and then you just concentrate this now, this mark also. Okay, this 40 marks, just concentrate this 40 marks. Okay, now change automatically. Got it? Now it is appearing 15 marks because 15 is the lowest, that is the lowest marked. And now here maximum mark is also changed. Maximum is 70, so here it is 70. So maximum mark is 70 and minimum mark is 15 likewise. Okay, now to get the minimum of all this other students, just click and drag it down, and that is done. We are done with the minimum marks. That also done. Got it? It's clear, I hope. Now to go to the last function, that is if function. Now if function, what we have learned in the if function, we have learned what is it? If function. This function returns one value if a condition you specify evaluates to true, and another value if it evaluates to false. That is, it used to check the conditions. It used to check the conditions, one or the other one. If the condition is true, okay, that is fine. If the condition is evaluate, if the condition is false, that is no. Yes or no, to check the conditions. Now to check the conditions, so how to do it here now, how we can apply here. So to apply the formula here also, equal to sign, right? Equal to sign, then we type out here if. Now if open bracket and logical test. Now we have to apply the logical test. What is the logical test? Now how we can apply? If now the conditions is, the result is, now logical test can be the total. Okay, now here total. If the total marks is 350, okay, if the, listen it carefully, okay, if the total marks is 350, students are outstanding or students are good, their performance are good. That is, we are giving the conditions. If the students got secured 350 and above marks, their result is outstanding. Okay, their result is outstanding. But if the students got 350 and below, not 350 and below, that is their result is good only. Got, you understood my point? So now here logical test, how we can apply the logical test. Now if logical test is, that is, just click the total. If that is J4, if J4 is greater than equal to 350, okay, that is our logical test, comma, now open bracket, open now comma, open comma, now the condition is outstanding, S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, outstanding, okay, comma, or if it is good. Now this is our conditions. This is the conditions. I'll just zoom and let you wait. I'll just zoom and let you see this one. Okay, see, This is the conditions that we have applied. See now, equal to if, that is J4, that is total, J4 is the total, is greater than equal to 350. Now if a student secure 350 total mark, if the student's total marks is 350, now the condition is outstanding, or else the condition is good only. You understood? Now if the student secure is 350 and above, outstanding, result is outstanding, or else good only. So this is how. Now let's check, just press enter key, and now the result is good. Why it is good? Because the total is not 350 and above. Got my point. Now just to check the other students also, just click and drag it down, and then here we got the result, that is all these are good. Here this is outstanding. Why this is outstanding? Because the total is more than 350. Got it? The total is more than 350. Okay, likewise here also outstanding. Why? The total is more than 350. Next is why the total is more than 350. This also. Now the last one student also, why? The last one also more than 350, and then the rest remaining students are all good. Why? Because their totals, just see the total, their totals are below, that is 350, that is 341, 322, another one, likewise the rest remaining 31. Got it? I hope you understood and it is clear to you about all this, how to get the total, how to get total, percentage, maximum, minimum, and then the result, or using the if conditions, that is if conditions. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. As of now, bye, and then in my next video tutorial in my next class, I'll be explaining you about how to find the, how to convert this data into chart, and then we'll just try to find out with different functions also. Till then, bye and take care. Thank you all.